Okay, let's talk about how we can rectangularize our UV. This tool is here. First, you have to select some polygon and it has to be quad. For example, in this UV, we want to make it exactly rectangle. If you double click to select whole, if you select UV rectangle, error will be occur. UCandy works with one rectangular quad path. For example, you can see it's not rectangle in this part. But if you select, for example, these parts and then UV rectangularize, before doing that, you can turn on or off auto align. You can see this alignment of the UV is this direction. If you OK in its path, you can see it's completely rectangularized our path, something like this. But if you activate auto aligns alignment in this direction, so in some cases it's not be used. And if you want to equalize distance between, for example, here, it's can somewhere we can go to the points. Let's try that again here. For example, we are in the points, move, and we change the polygon distance, and then going to the point, select it, and we can equidistant distribution active, and let's it. You can see it's try to equal a distance or not if you want. You saw in previous tools, in some cases it's nice, in some cases it's not. It's just change. Let's try to some other things. I couldn't find things that is best to doing. For example, you can see if you select such a distance, your error will be occur because it's not. But if you select something like this, you can rectangularize that. I think yeah, here it's a quad path. Let's try. It's nice, and you can see here. But yeah, you can see it's better if you untick the make equal distribution between these points. You can see this line is, and these quads are different in area. But if you activate equidistant distribution, look at, we have equal squad and equal square here. So that's it. Make sure about the selection of these tools. In some cases, it has to be quad. For example, again, error. It's a rectangular quad path. It means, for example, these parts are not. If you can come here and select and keep not. Select this and select this. I think in this case, rectangular is working. You can see because it's completely like a rectangular quad path without these two polygons. This is a limitation of UV Rectangularize tool. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.